Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2007 Toyota Corolla. Stock number is A6967A. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to look down the passenger side. Taking a look inside at the cloth interior. Up top you do have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a spoiler on the back. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player, climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Corolla on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.